Welcome to another edition of Bad Jump Destination with me, your host, the Cryptonomatron. Today I've got a very interesting project to bring to your attention. It's called OptyFi. So imagine a world where you did not have to spend every waking moment searching through different liquidity pools and weighing up the risk of a possible investment. In the ever-shifting landscape of decentralized finance, where token prices, interest rates, and gas fees change constantly, it can be an overwhelming and near impossible task to keep up with it all. After all, you've got a life too. You might have kids to look after, you might have a full-time job, or you might just like to spend time relaxing without having to worry about managing your money 24/7. This is where OptyFi comes in. OptyFi is a yield optimization protocol that continuously evaluates thousands of yield strategies across decentralized finance, automatically shifting user assets to the most optimal strategies that meet the user's risk preferences. OptyFi takes into consideration interest rates for lending pools, trading fees for trading pools, reward rates, staking options, and gas fees in finding the optimum strategy for the deployment of users' funds. Users deposit their assets into OptyFi Vaults, and the vaults enable users to share the gas costs, providing lower gas costs per user and enabling OptyFi to more frequently shift the user's assets into the most profitable strategies. OptyFi Vaults also enable users to select the level of risk they are comfortable with and to allocate their assets across different risk levels. There will also be NFT vaults, which will share the same optimization engine as the DeFi vaults, democratizing access to these types of investments and helping to prevent inaccurate pricing. The alpha version of the protocol was launched back in mid-December 2021, with around $350,000 being deposited by users. The project team whitelisted 100 community members and deployed a USD coin vault, USDC vault, live on Ethereum. And it was connected to 3 DeFi protocols, Aave, Compound, and Curve. These early users were called the Super Yeedlers. Each Super Yeedler could deposit a maximum of $10,000 into the vault, with 3,000 OPTY tokens distributed retroactively per day to Alpha Vault participants. The rewards they will earn, of course, depend on their share of the vault. There will also be a gas fee rebate for alpha participants, and in order to combat high gas fees on mainnet, OptyFi will be expanding to Polygon vaults for their beta launch. The beta version will launch in the first quarter of 2022 and will integrate strategies from at least 9 different protocols and 150 or more liquidity pools. If you do want to participate and you're not already a Super Yeedler, you will need to become a Power Yeedler in order to make a deposit. Details on how to become a Power Yeedler and to participate can be obtained by joining their Discord, which I will link to in the description below. So going forward, the architecture of OptyFi is designed to quickly expand to cover dozens of protocols, thousands of liquidity pools, and tens of thousands of strategies across multiple blockchains. OptyFi is being incubated by New Order, which is a community-led venture DAO for DeFi. New Order is an ecosystem DAO that's built to operate as a launchpad for the most innovative Web3 financial products, tools, and applications that contribute to the vision of creating a fully composable financial ecosystem embracing multi-chain decentralized finance at its core. The New Order community includes some of the most accomplished and respected DeFi and Web3 professionals and projects. New Order recently incubated Redacted Cartel with their token Butterfly, which is a complementary sub-DAO for the well-known project Olympus DAO. I participated in Redacted Cartel, and I'm also invested in New Order DAO, and I will bring you videos on those projects, hopefully in the near future. While the technology behind OptyFi is quite complex, the purpose is simple and singular in nature, and that's to enable every user to maximize their returns from their decentralized assets simply and automatically, depending on their convictions and their risk preference. They aim to have an intuitive interface that aims to be friendly both for first-time crypto users and for more experienced degens and apes like myself. Cross-chain and multi-chain integration will be a key feature. Q2 2022 will see an integration of Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Arbitrum, Optimism, and even Binance Smart Chain, progressing towards a fully multi-chain integration of non-Ethereum virtual machine chains like Solana and Terra later on in the year. Being multi-chain gives users the possibility to deposit in vaults on different chains depending on where the capital is located or the user's individual preferences. The cross-chain functionality allows for moving funds from one chain to another to farm and interact with the most profitable protocols. OptyFi has scalable and flexible technology that enables them to quickly implement new protocols due to its modular architecture. The potential strategies will exponentially grow with these mechanics. Machine learning powered strategies will be employed so that the AI can scour through a vast number of different investment opportunities and select the best opportunity based on user preferences. The token is a governance token, and its value derives from allowing token holders to participate in protocol governance and to share in current and future protocol fees. Users that stake the OPTY token will have a say in the direction and running of the protocol and be able to participate in voting. Staking will also provide boosted yield to those holders. New supply of OPTY tokens will be optimized and adjusted weekly to ensure that assets can grow while maintaining the token price. Investors in this project include Dialectic, led by Ryan Zurer, who is providing capital and expertise, Stratos Technologies, 0x Ventures, A100X, Delphi Ventures, Mechanism Capital, and 3 Arrows Capital. Advisors include Alex Bulkin, founder of Coin Fund, and Sebastian Jaimangal, a respected quantitative financial analyst. So what do I like about this project and why am I bringing it to your attention? Well, first of all, it's being incubated by New Order DAO, and I think their projects are going to be top-notch. They have the contacts in the industry to really make things come together for these decentralized finance projects. And as they're a launch pad, they bring the community together, developers, promoters, influencers, financing, all of the things that projects need to succeed, and they pick projects on their merits. And as I mentioned before, I'm already invested in New Order, the NUO token. I'm staking it at the moment, and I'm looking forward to the projects they'll launch, including this one, which looks very, very promising indeed. The second thing I like is the risk assessment framework of this project. I think it's innovative and unique. The way they calculate risk of investment is very clever. And they also have risk tiers for users, which will include stable, grow, aggressive, and then the highest risk one, degen. It's automated, and automation is the future of decentralized finance. Anything that will be automated, anything that can be automated, will be automated. That's smart contracts, investment portfolios, everything. Automation is the future. This project aims to be multi-chain and cross-chain, and that is going to be key in the future for success. The team is also doxed on this project, and that means their reputations are on the line, so they got to deliver. And competitors to this project include Reimagine Finance, or REFI, I think is their token ticker. They've launched already, and they're busy trying to automate users' investments. So that summarizes OptyFi. I think this could be a banger of a project. The last project, Redacted Cartel, that launched on New Order DAO was certainly a banger, and I'm glad I invested in that one as well. So going forward, this is definitely a project to watch. As usual, these videos are not financial advice, These are for entertainment purposes only. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, or you found it informative, please click the like and click the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I'll bring you plenty more interesting potential projects in the near future and other guides. I'm really going to start focusing on decentralized finance because I think that's where the action is, but I'm sure I'll bring you a mixed bag as usual. So thanks for joining me today. Happy New Year, everyone. Good looking out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.